For the record, and you've got 3 minutes.
My name is Captain Gary Wayne Beck. I live at 2601 Beach Street. I talked to Scott. He told me that he was going to take my property because I can't afford to pay the $250 a day fines that they've levied against me. I told Scott I'm duct taping my Constitution to my rifle. I told Scott he should read the signs that says I swore 2 oaths to defend the Constitution. I talked to the FBI. The FBI said they're going to try to get me for domestic terrorism because someone heard me screaming, "I don't want to shoot, but I will." I asked the FBI, how come all of a sudden the federal government can hear me screaming but they can't hear me screaming, "You're poisoning my world." They can't hear me screaming, "There's a rock coming right at our planet that'll annihilate our species." They can't hear me. I showed all of you after the last meeting, Congress and NASA's looking for an asteroid defense system. I showed the government-controlled media, and y'all put y'all's heads in the sand. Tomorrow I go in front of Judge James B. Fenson. He's the same judge that denied me my constitutional right to a lawyer 5 times, setting an illegal precedent, allowing for illegal statutes that comes against the Constitution of the United States of America. This right here is the Constitution of the United States of America. I'm fixing to read Amendment 4 that says the right of the people to be secure in their possessions, house, papers, and effects against unreasonable search and seizure shall not be validated upon no warrant shall be issued but upon probable cause supported by oath or affirmation and particularly describing the place to be searched and possession or things to be seized. That didn't happen. Y'all came on my property, the code enforcement did, took my energy invention, cut down my wooden fence, and proceeded to try to take my oil spill inventions. They took my cast nets, my reeling rods, everything that I had. And they didn't give me nothing saying, "Oh, I'm taking this," or "Oh, I'm taking that." I've got all messed up. People try to wonder how, I tell everybody I'm handicapped. These words right here, I've had that read to me. Everything else over here is scrambled. And guys, y'all putting your heads in the sand. Please tell me, why won't y'all help me? I said, just, hey, load me up in a little car, put me some gas, and I'll go wherever it is I need to be. I'm so broke right now, you got me pinned on my property. They're coming for my signs again and all this stuff. Now I got to go in front of the same judge, that didn't listen to nothing. And when I was in front of the Code Enforcement Board, they didn't even have the right pictures up. They just laughed at me and told me to get a lawyer. That's the same thing y'all hide behind every time as a lawyer. And then y'all throw another obstacle up. Anything to hide from the truth. Man, this 3 minutes lasted a long time. That's it. Can y'all tell me why you keep putting your heads in the sand? And what can you do to help me?
In fact, you don't want to hear what I've got to say, I'm sure, but the best thing you can do is talk to staff about your problems. If you've got some specific complaints, I'd suggest you continue to talk to